Hey everyone, my name is Josh with Chandler Truck Accessories. Today we're going to be installing our Topside toolbox onto our CTA ladder rack system. The first thing we need to do is remove two of these 3/8 carriage bolts on every corner of the bed rack. On your Topside toolbox, you'll also want to remove two of the 3/8 bolts on each side. The next thing we're going to do is put the Topside box on the bed rail. If you have a friend, get them to help you out. Use the supplied 3/8 bolt along with the supplied spacer to connect the Topside toolbox to the bed rack. Do the same thing on the lower bolt hole. The next thing we're going to do is install a washer, a lock washer, and the provided nut on these two bolts that we just put in. Repeat those steps on the cab facing side. Alright, that'll do it for the installation of our Topside toolboxes connected to our CTA bed rack. If you have any other questions, head to chandlertruckaccessories.com.